Here's how to use Instagram Instants. Instagram Instants lets you share real-time disappearing photos with friends. Similar to Snapchat, you can only capture a live photo using your camera. You can't upload images from your camera roll or edit them before sending. To get started, open the Instagram app and go to your messages. Tap the instant icon to open the feature. If it's your first time using it, you can tap how it works to view a quick introduction. Next, the camera will open automatically. Use the flip camera button to switch between the front and rear cameras and turn the flash on or off if needed. When you're ready, take your photo. Before sending it, tap Friends to choose who you want to share your instant with. Once you send it, your selected friends can view it and react to it. To see your previous instance, tap the instant icon again, then select the history icon in the top right corner. From there, you can open any instant to check who has viewed or reacted to it. If you want to remove an instant, open it, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Delete Instant. If you don't see the Instance feature, make sure your Instagram app is updated, as new features are often released gradually and may not be available to every account immediately. That's all for this video. Thanks.